Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care. The beautiful Kaoru Yasu. Code SAME156. Released on February 4, 2025. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about female agent rides on a train. The girl was undercover agent. One day, the girl was assigned at the train to monitor an incident. However, there is a guy that keeps bothering her. Instead of taking action immediately, the girl was waiting for something to happen. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.